Hello everyone, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to resolve the issue of not being able to open sample files in WiseImage for AutoCAD 2021 sample files. So let's go to File and Open. And try to open some file from the sample folder of WiseImage for AutoCAD 2021. So I will choose one sample file. So now it says that I cannot open this file as editable. I can only open this file as read-only. So how to resolve this issue? So for that I will say no, I'll cancel, I will close the entire application. I'll say no and I will exit from the application. Okay, so now I should go to the desktop icon and I should right click on the desktop icon of WiseImage for AutoCAD 2021, and then I should go to properties and then I should go to compatibility. Here I should turn this option on, run this program as an administrator. So I will say apply and OK, and I will open WiseImage for AutoCAD 2021 again. Okay, so WiseImage for AutoCAD 2021 reopened. So now I will go to File and I will click on Open and I will choose the same sample file and then I will click Open, and this time the file will open without showing the message of being read only. So this is okay now. If I edit now here, then I can save it back to this same format, which is DWG. That's all in this video. See you next time.